Are you ready to get your freak on? Welcome to Move Like a Contrology Freak. My name is Kira Lamb, and this is a series of Pilates exercise tutorials for the Pilates curious up to the seasoned professional. Brace yourself because we are working on an advanced exercise called the Swan Dive. Before you attempt this, you should feel rock solid at the neck roll, single leg kick, and the double kick. This is your third rolling exercise, but you've done rolling like a ball and you've done open leg rocker. Both of those, you're basically rolling on your booty. This is the first time you are rolling on your belly. So it takes a little bit different type of powerhouse control in order to lengthen and protect your lower back against compression and pain. So I'm going to teach it to you progressively and systematically, of course, but when you do the full expression of the exercise, you do 6 repetitions. Sometimes I cheat that, but the goal is 6 repetitions. I will meet you on the mat. So just like the neck roll, let's train the Swan Dive progressively. Because if you think that the neck roll needed a lot of powerhouse control, this needs even more. So let's start off similarly to the way we learned the neck roll. You start lying on your stomach, hug your midline with your upper inner thighs and your heels. Make your legs 6 inches longer and reach your tailbone past your heels. Place your thumbs right above your shoulders, elbows on the mat. As you reach your tailbone and legs back, press your head through the wall in front of you. Inhale, press the tops of your feet into the floor and pull your chest forward and up. Keep pulling your lower abdominals forward and reach your arms out to the side without dropping your chest. Lift your lower abdominals, replace your arms into the mat and lower all the way down. Again, reach your tailbone back, pull your navel forward and lift up. Keep pressing the tops of your feet into the floor. Stretch your chest forward, reach your arms out to the side, and then lift your powerhouse, return your arms, and lower all the way down. One more. Reach your tailbone back, pull your abs forward. Keep lifting, reach your arms out to the side and hold. Can you lift your chest forward and up by pressing your arms up more? Return your arms, lower all the way back down. All right, so let's add a little leg action to that exercise. Set up the same, lying down on your stomach, hugging your midline, and reaching your tailbone back, crown of your head forward. Slide your shoulder blades down your back, and then inhale, pull your chest forward and up, and then hold here. Make your legs 6 inches longer. From your sit bones, press your thighs up off the mat, and then lower your legs, pull your chest forward and lower all the way down. Again, pull your chest forward and up, open up the top of your Pilates box towards the wall in front of you. Reach your tailbone back, pull your hip points forward in order to lift your legs from your seat and the backs of your thighs instead of bending your knees. And then reach your legs back to lower and then lower your head down, adding on. Pull your chest forward and up. I'm reaching my tailbone back and then reach your legs up from your backs of your upper inner thighs. Hold this position. Open your arms out to the side. Press your thighs and your chest up more and then lower everything all the way back down. Okay, so are you ready to swan dive? I want you to think back first when you did rolling like a ball and open leg rocker. The most important thing was to first establish a strong and stable shape. And then in order to roll or rock in that position, you had to do a little bit of weight shifting using powerhouse control. The same thing applies for the swan dive. So let's start off with a baby dive. So set up like you would for the neck roll. Hug your midline with your upper inner thighs and your heels and place your forearms by your side with your thumbs right above your shoulders. Make your spine 6 inches longer in each direction. Reach your tailbone through the wall behind you and make your legs 6 inches longer too. Press your head through the wall in front of you and slide your shoulder blades down your back. Pull your lower abdominals forward to lift your chest forward and up. Keep feeling your chest and your chin go forward and your toes go back. In one motion, you're going to lift your arms out to a T and your thighs up off the mat. So here you go. Reach your tailbone back, lift your arms and your thighs up. To start rocking, press your upper arm bones up and reach your legs for the wall behind you. Send your chest and your chin forward to send your legs up. Inhale, lift your chest up, press your arms behind you. Send your chest and chin forward, slide your toes up the wall. One more, inhale, lift your chest forward and up. Send your chest and chin forward so your legs go up. Lower everything back down. All right, so let's do that with a little bit of flow. I can't promise that I can cue through this, but I'm going to try to demonstrate it the best I possibly can. So you set up the exact same way with your forearms next to your body. Your thumbs are above your shoulders. Reach your legs and your tailbone back. Press your head forward and shoulder blades back. Inhale, pull your lower abdominals forward like your powerhouse is trying to touch the wall in front of you. In one motion, you're going to start rocking or swan diving by thrusting your chest forward and up. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Reach your toes back. One more, and then lower all the way down. Now, ideally, your legs should stay together, but that's still really hard for me. Give it a shot. One of the main issues I see in this exercise is what I demonstrated actually in the neck roll. It's starting with your legs as wide as the mat, gripping your butt, pressing into your hands and cranking into your lower back, and then just throwing your legs up, throwing your arms back, throwing your legs, throwing your arms back. So I'm not using my powerhouse at all. I'm just whipping my arms and legs back and forth. So the most important thing is having a long curve in your spine without compression and being able to rock back and forth in this shape. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Now, if you're looking for more personalized instruction and feedback, or maybe like an actual class, I teach virtual mat classes on Zoom every single week. Go to my website, kiralam.com, and you'll find my schedule and you can register for class. For a discount, enter the code ContrologyFreak. Go figure. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and you'll get 3 exercise tutorials every week. Thank you.